Welcome to this short TExtract tutorial about exporting an index to EPUB. As we will see in this video, once the TExtract project for a print book has been set up, it is easy to add the index to the EPUB edition of the book. The index is integrated in the EPUB document, with references linked to paragraphs. For this tutorial, I use this PDF proof of a book about health informatics. The TExtract project has been set up by the author from this PDF. The author was kind enough to allow me to use the project for this video. Let's just open the editor for a moment to see what the project looks like at this point. In the Index View panel, there are some 1,000 accepted entries. The Context View panel has the exact location of each reference. This enables TExtract to export paragraph-linked references into the EPUB. Here's the preview of the formatted print index. Now this is the EPUB of the book that we want to include the index in. As you can see in the table of contents, there is no index yet. Exporting the index into the EPUB is a two-step procedure as shown in TExtract's main menu. First, I set up the export. Then I can export the index. So let's do the setup. TExtract will unpack the EPUB file and analyzes it to enable linking references. This takes a few moments. Done. At this point, I can export the index to the EPUB, but let's just briefly open the editor. I can preview the print index or the EPUB index. Here's the EPUB preview. The links are active. As stated in the introductory note, links use the page numbers from the print book. Clicking this reference to Healthcare Financing Authority takes me to the paragraph. This is a preview of the text in the EPUB. It is easy to adjust the formatting, the fonts, the note text, etc. here. I can continue editing the index if needed. Let me add telemedicine. And I will add a few subheadings. The subentries have been added to the entry list. Here's the preview, with the references linked to the paragraphs in the EPUB text. The second step is to export the index. I can choose RTF to get the standard index manuscript to be included in the print document source. I choose EPUB. I am prompted to adjust the file order and the table of contents order. But these are as intended. A copy of the EPUB file is generated with the index integrated. Let's take a look. Here's the index. I click this reference to Healthcare Financing Authority. Ebook viewers generally scroll by page, so the linked paragraph may be down the page. If needed, you can go back to TExtract and further edit the index and export again. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. For more information, please see TExtract.com.